Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Evoque 2.0 D200 Autobiography. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Eiger grey. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 21-inch 5-split-spoke alloy wheels with the silver finish, really complementing against the Eiger grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Taking a look at the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase. Moving in through the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which is ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Now, this vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 8,399 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you're travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. Another safety feature you have is your clear sight interior rear view mirror, so perhaps if your car is fully loaded or you have taller passengers, you are still able to get an unobstructed view. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. You also have your 4x4 information, along with terrain response drive modes and your wade sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. Helping furthermore is the off-road feature on the 360 view camera, and of course you also have the 3D view, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. The front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones, and this is paired with the dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Evoque 2.0 D200 Autobiography that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.